Hey, I promised you that I will keep on making every course membership better, and here this is my promise. I'm proving you. So, I had lots of resources and it was quite overwhelming. So, now I am creating custom GPT, so that you don't have to go through all the resources and study on your own. I am putting custom GPT in each and every module and lecture, and you have to just click on the custom GPT here and it will pop over here. And then it see, this custom GPT is for that particular lecture, and now you can click on anything. For example, you can click here, it is the conversation starter, and then you will be asked questions, and then you can just answer the question, and you succeed and you just proceed depending on that. And every custom GPT will be there in the lecture, and this is my promise. And God bless you, and please don't hesitate to contact me. By the way, these custom GPTs, I am selling them as standalone, but if you are part of my digital launch mastery community, these are free for you. So just wanted to tell you, you don't have to pay extra. But if whoever is not part of this community, they will have to pay for this custom GPT. Thank you and God bless you. Take care. See you soon.